problem with my Mac. The fan is making a noise since yesterday and it's really annoying. So we've got to go and get it fixed, and we're going to a local company called Fruit Geek.co.uk. So they're in Bexley, UK. And if you've got any problems with your Mac gear, then get down to them. I'm here with James today from Fruit Geek, who's going to fix my computer.
So thanks for bringing your Mac in, Mick. It's got some funny noises coming from the fan, so we're going to have to take it apart, see what's going on there.
Okay, James, thank you very much for fixing my computer.
No problem at all. It turned out that the bearings in the fan were quite worn, which does happen after a few years sometimes, so that's why you was getting that rattling noise. We've put a brand new fan in it, and that should be good for some years yet.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Back home now, and the computer's working fine. This is not my normal sort of upload, but I'm normally photographic centric. Anyway, we'll see you again next time.
Bye.